Miss Teena English podcast,
where you learn to speak English.
Have you ever gone to a pharmacy but didn't know what to say in English? Maybe you wanted medicine, but you couldn't explain your problem. Or perhaps you didn't understand the pharmacist's questions. Don't worry. Today, you're going to learn exactly what to say in a real pharmacy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to buy medicine confidently and speak natural English in this everyday situation. So, let's go to the pharmacy together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Teena English podcast. I'm Teena.
And I'm Jimin. If you want to improve your English through real-life conversations, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because every week we help beginners speak English naturally with easy and practical conversations.
All right, let's begin today's lesson.
Jimin, you don't look well today. What's wrong?
I've had a bad headache since this morning.
Oh no. Do you have a fever too?
I don't think so, but I feel tired and my throat hurts a little.
Have you taken any medicine?
No, I wanted to buy some medicine, but I don't know how to explain my symptoms in English.
That's okay. We'll practice together. Let's go to the pharmacy.
Great idea. I really need some medicine.
Perfect. Today, you'll learn useful English that you can use in any pharmacy around the world.
Now we're inside the pharmacy. Let's listen carefully.
Pharmacist. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm not feeling well. I'd like some medicine, please.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since this morning.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. I haven't checked my temperature.
All right. I can recommend some medicine for your symptoms.
Thank you. Will it help with my headache and sore throat?
Yes. It should help you feel better. Make sure you get plenty of rest and drink lots of water.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excellent. Now, let's learn some useful words.
Vocabulary. Repeat after us. Symptoms. Medicine. Headache. Sore throat. Fever. Temperature. Rest.
Now, repeat these useful sentences. I'm not feeling well. I'd like some medicine. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel very tired. How long have you been feeling this way? It should help you feel better. Excellent. Now, let's learn how to ask about the medicine and how to take it correctly. Great! The pharmacist has recommended some medicine. Now, let's learn how to ask important questions before buying it. Listen carefully.
Pharmacist. Here is the medicine.
Thank you. How should I take it?
Take 1 tablet. Twice a day. After meals.
Should I take it with water?
Yes. Take it with a full glass of water.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. If you feel dizzy, stop taking the medicine and see a doctor.
I understand. How many days should I take it?
Take it for 5 days. If you don't feel better, please visit a doctor.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Excellent! Now, let's learn some useful words. Vocabulary. Repeat after us. Tablet. After meals. Side effects. Dizzy. Advice. Glass of water. 5 days. Now, repeat these useful sentences. How should I take this medicine? Take 1 tablet twice a day. Should I take it with water? Are there any side effects?
How many days should I take it? I hope you feel better soon. Fantastic! Now, let's pay for the medicine and complete our visit to the pharmacy.
Excellent. Jimin has chosen the medicine. Now, it's time to pay at the counter. Listen carefully.
Hello? Are these the medicines you'd like to buy?
Yes, that's correct.
The total is $15. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Certainly. Please tap your card on the payment machine.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you are. Take care.
And get well soon.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excellent. Now, let's learn some useful words.
Vocabulary. Repeat after us. Total. Cash. Card. Payment. Receipt. Bag. Payment machine.
Now, repeat these useful sentences. How would you like to pay? I'll pay by card. I'll pay in cash. Please tap your card. Here is your receipt. Would you like a bag? Thank you. Have a great day. Excellent. Now, let's put everything together in one complete pharmacy conversation. Excellent. Now, it's time for the final practice. This conversation combines everything you've learned today. Listen carefully, and then practice it by yourself.
Pharmacist. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm not feeling well. I'd like some medicine, please.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
How long have you been feeling this way?
Since this morning.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. I haven't checked my temperature.
I understand. This medicine should help you feel better. Take 1 tablet twice a day, after meals. Drink plenty of water and get enough rest.
Thank you. Should I take it with water?
Yes. Take it with a full glass of water.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. If your symptoms get worse, please see a doctor.
Thank you for your advice. How much is the medicine?
The total is $15.
I'll pay by card.
Certainly. Please tap your card on the payment machine. Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Thank you. Have a great day. Fantastic! You just completed a real English conversation at the pharmacy. Now, let's practice speaking together and build your confidence. Amazing! Now, it's your turn to speak. Repeat after us.
I'm not feeling well.
I'd like some medicine, please.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I feel very tired.
How should I take this medicine?
Should I take it with water?
Are there any side effects?
I'll pay by card.
Thank you for your help.
Get well soon.
Excellent! You're speaking English more confidently already. Now, let's complete today's challenge.
Daily challenge. Imagine you're at a pharmacy. Answer these questions in English. What would you say first? What symptoms do you have? How long have you been feeling sick? How should you take the medicine? How would you like to pay? Pause the video and answer each question aloud. Don't translate. Think in English and speak in English.
Remember, every conversation you practice brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes. Keep practicing, and you'll improve every single day.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Miss Teena English Podcast. We upload new English conversation lessons every week.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We'll see you in the next episode. Our next lesson is English conversation at the coffee shop. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. Take care. And see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.